New at 10 tonight, back in November, the Vaughn-Blumberg Center closed its day programs after several people began testing positive for COVID-19. But over a month later, the center's programs are still closed. Recently, WDHN received several complaints from parents of that center who say the facility hasn't answered any questions about when it will reopen or what parents should do in the meantime. After being closed for several weeks due to COVID-19 concerns, some parents of special needs individuals say the Vaughn-Blumberg Center has failed to communicate about its future plans. One parent spoke with WDHN on condition of anonymity. She says she has tried to reach day program officials but hasn't received any real answers.
They have not contacted any one of us.
According to the parent, the center closed in mid-November. Soon after, it was Thanksgiving break. But once Thanksgiving was over, parents still had not heard from the center. This as several other special needs facilities around the Wiregrass remained open.
The only one that's shut down. The other ones are not.
This parent says it's not so much about Vaughn-Blumberg being closed. Instead, it's about a lack of communication.
They're not wanting to stay because they don't want to get people's hopes up and expectations.
Meanwhile, as caregivers try to find answers, many of their children are dealing with a major shift in their routines.
Social interaction and also a routine. He loves that and he wants to get away from us, you know. I mean, why not? That's his outlet.
At the same time, caregivers often receive advice and assistance from the facility, something that this parent says is now lacking.
That's what I liked about that, because now I can have somebody to help me work with him on certain things, do with him.
But at the end of the day, this parent has one request.
I just want to know why and, you know, let us know what's going on.
WDHN wanted to get answers for these parents, so I reached out to the Vaughn-Blumberg Center myself. In an email, Executive Director Dan Zapata said, quote, "At this time and date, we are not certain when we are going to reopen our day programs at Vaughn-Blumberg services. We have had staff and people served testing positive for COVID, so we are following CDC and Department of Public Health guidelines on considering a reopening date. I will let you know when we have a reopening date based on COVID testing results." Coffee County Commission Administrator Rod Morgan describes the growth